Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Avengers makeup tutorial. So today I'm turning myself into the Hulk. So I'm sorry for the lighting. It is 10 o'clock at night and that's the best I can do with the lighting. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off by drawing a line where the Hulk is going to be and where my normal base makeup is going to be, and then I'll be doing my base makeup. So I'm just using Snazzy face paint to just draw where the Hulk line is going to be. Okay, so now that the line is done, I'm going to be doing my normal everyday base makeup. So I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'll be doing that for my primer, obviously. Then I'll be going in with my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation. I use this in shade Porcelain. And then I'll be going in with my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I use this in Light Peach. Then I'll be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. Then I will be going in with my Cubo bronzer. This is the Mega Bronzer. So I will be doing that and then being right back. So now I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in Blossom Glow. And I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Pearlescent Pink. So now I'm just going to outline what needs to not be green, and then I will paint everything in green. So again, going in with the Weight Face Face, I'm just going to outline everything. So now I'm going to go with the Mayron 30 Color Face Paint Palette. I'm going to go in with this green and this green, and I'm going to paint myself green. So now that we are green and probably stained for the foreseeable future, I'm going to start on the eye. So for my eye, I'm going to be taking the James Charles X Morphe palette. And for starters, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. So now I'm going to go in with this shade right here and apply that to my outer corner. And now I'm going to be taking one of my pigments from my brand. This is My Alien Boyfriend. And I'm just applying that to the lid. So, I used the lashes from my lash brand. I used the style September. So now I'm going to add the black detail, and I'm going to add the black detailing using the Mayron 30 Color Face Paint Palette. and I'll be using the black. This is the final look of my Hulk makeup look. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I really like it. I like that it's kind of like breaking in. And if you want, you can slick back this side of your hair and add some green. I would, but I'm not going to, as I have to go out and I don't have time to wash my hair, as I have to take this off. And my hair takes forever to dry, and it's 11 o'clock at night. This took about an hour. Okay, so I'm so happy with how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all the love on my Captain America look. I really appreciate it. If you haven't seen it, please go check it out. It's on my Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching. So if you'd like to follow me on my other social medias, my Instagram is mbk_beauty_, and my TikTok is mbk_beauty. And my brand, I just opened my Etsy, so my Etsy is open. So my Etsy is katelyncosmeticshop. So please check it out. It will mean so much to me if you did. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you like the Avengers, give this video a thumbs up. And comment down below what other videos you'd like to see. And see you guys next time for Freaky Friday Zombie Edition. Bye!